So now this is how I edit my football content video. It is not difficult at all. Now if you are new to video editing, first of all go to your Play Store or your App Store and download CapCut, right? What we'll be using is CapCut. Now let me show you the application. This is it. Can you see? Now you are going to select CapCut. Now immediately you select CapCut, it's going to load up. Now CapCut is an editing app, right? It's an editing app. So we have other people that use InShot, Power Director, different kind of app like that. But the best app for a video editing, as long as smartphone is concerned, is what is CapCut. Now, if you want to edit your football videos, maybe an analysis or whatever. Maybe I want to talk about Arsenal or Chelsea game. Now, this is what I'm going to do. If I want to talk about Arsenal match, I'm going to go over to my Facebook. I'm going to go over to my Facebook and search for Arsenal. These are pictures here. So let's assume I want to use this Odegaard's own. Can you see? I'm just going to select it. I'm going to save it. Right. If I need Arsenal logo as well, so I can come to their profile here, tap on it, select here and save it. You understand? So now all I just need to do is to go over to my CapCut. This is it. Now I'm going to add my video, the video I've recorded about Arsenal. So I'm going to go over to new project and select that video. So let's assume this is the video. I just want to select a random video. Let me just use this one. So let me just use, I'm going to add this one. So let's assume this is the video I want to use. Now this video, now one thing about video editing, what you need to know about CapCut, in my subsequent videos I'm going to drop tutorials, and in case if you do not understand a particular thing here, just drop it in the comment section. And for those of you that want to dive deep into video editing, right, just drop it in the comment section that you are interested, so I can give you access to my video editing course. I'm going to give you access for it for free. All you just need to do is to share this video, like this video, and make sure you are following our page to get access to our free video editing course. Now what you are going to do, you are going to split the part that you don't want, right? Now you are going to see this line. Can you see this line? Now that line signifies that that is the point you want to split from. Now if you tap on it like this, it means you've activated the video. It means you want to split, or you want to delete, or you want to do whatever, or probably you want to add animation, add effects, you want to speed up. Can you see it has different options? Probably you want to add filters to the video. Now I just want to split out some part I don't want. Now I want to split from here. Split. You see this place, I'm going to tap on it. See delete, I'm going to delete it. Delete, right? So now you're going to play the video. Make sure you delete the parts, you split and delete the parts you don't want in that video. Obviously you are recording a video, you must make a mistake. Now you get, so all you just need to do is to split those parts. And how do you split those parts? You see this line, it signifies the particular point you want to split. Once you split it, now the point you feel like you make that mistake, you want to split it, and let's assume I make mistake in this middle, I'm going to split again. Now let's assume this is the middle that I make that mistake, I'm going to select it and what, go back to delete. This is how we split and delete. You understand? This is how we split and delete. You understand? So now what you're going to do is that now this is my video. I want that Arsenal picture to be at the top. So I need to select this video and drag it down a little bit, so that I can have enough space at the top to put that picture. So all I just need to do, can you see overlay? This is the select overlay. Go over to add overlay. Now let me select that photos. This is it here. Add. Now I cannot add that photo. Now use your two fingers to make sure it's zoom fit into the screen. Now you cannot drag this one up. So once you drag this one up, as you can see now, this picture has covered my face. So all you just need to do is to go back to mask. Can you see mask? Scroll to the end, you see mask, select mask and select horizontal. So as you can see, it has cut it to 2, so you cannot drag it down like this. Good. So at least we can see Odegaard at the top, we can see this video at the down. So select this photo. Now at the edge of this, just drag it to the entire video. Just drag it to the entire video. So once you drag it to the entire, you hold and drag, yes. Once you drag it to the entire video, so all you just need to do is to add necessary things you want to add to the video. It is not difficult at all. Just add, if you want to add another picture, let's assume you want to add that Arsenal logo to it, just add it as overlay. Select this Arsenal logo. So I just need to remove the background of this Arsenal logo. Now go over to remove UG, select auto remover. As you can see, I've removed the background. Now use your two finger to make it look small. This is it. So you can just drag it here. Can you see? So you hold at the edge and drag it to the entire video. So once you drag it to the entire video, so you're going to have it like this. Let me mute it. Can you see? Now the next thing I'm going to do is to give this, I want to, as you can see that this video is not looking sharp. You understand? It's not looking sharp. So how do I give it that filter, that kind of color grading effect? Now this is what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to, most times some of you used to, those that are used to CapCut, right? They normally use adjust. So under this adjust, you can actually increase the brightness, the contrast, the saturation and everything. But me, I don't use the adjust. What I use is filter. What I use is what? Filters. Now go over to filters. Now I already have my filters that I normally use. So I'm going to go over to search. So I'm going to search for Love City. Yes, you see this Love City 2. This is the filter I normally use. Can you see? You can also use ordinary Love City 2, but I love using Love City 2, right? And you can also add this filter again too. There is this other filter I used to use too. This bokeh. This is it. Can use the two. Can you see? Depending on how you want it to be. Can you see the quality of the video? So if you want to use one, you can decide to use one. So once you are done, if you just have to extend the filter to the entire video, you make sure that this filter covers the whole video so that this effect can be applied to the entire video. It is very, very simple. So this is how I edit my football content. Now the last thing I'm going to show you is how to, whatever I'm saying, I want it to appear on the screen. So how do I do that? Is this captions? I'll go over to captions and what, select captions and what, and go over to generate. So automatically it's going to generate the captions for me. And once it generates the captions for me, you know, the AI that generate these captions will not be 100%. Sometimes there will be mistakes in what I say. You understand? There will be mistakes in what I say. So all you just need to do is to, if you want to edit anywhere that there is mistakes, like here now, can you see the way you spell umbuemo? Now you are going to tap on that point and go over to, can you see edit caption? Go over to edit caption. Now from here now I can edit it. Tap on it. Now Brian Umbuemo. Now this Umbuemo, now this is how they spell Umbuemo. Umbuemo. Can you see now? This is the correct spelling of Umbuemo. So once you are done, you are good to go. So all you just need to do is to export your video. So this is how I edit my football content on CapCut. Very, very simple. Please make sure you share this video, like this video, and if you're interested to have access to my video editing course, don't forget, make sure you share this video, make sure you are following my page, and drop your comment. I'm going to send you the link to my video editing class for free. Thank you.